guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would truly help our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone! So this is chapter 20. Ang pretty naman ng lalagyan ng tubig. Char. What a lovely day. It is. Ganda naman ang outfit niya. She seems what? To be in a good mood these days. Siyempre may pera siya, good mood. Nakaka-good mood talaga ang pera. What? You're staring at me. It's probably about your jubilance. He wonders what is behind it. What? You don't know about the jubilance? My mom and aunt tried to take possession of others' money. They were caught and punished by the government office. It's her who said he should take the money. Punish her, please. Say what? Ito mga auntie niya talaga. Basta pera na. Tapos pag nagkabukuhan, nagtuturuan. They were punished physically and financially. Well, I guess they will have to rest for a while. Oo nga, panay pang pangulit sa kanila. No wonder Good Dashun didn't go to the academy. I assume this incident discredited him in the academy. Of course, ikaw ba naman? Kulong ka eh. Grant Aunt, have this chicken leg. Just tell me what you want to do with the money in hand. Pakialam mo kanya yung char. I want to purchase a mountain. The one at the back of our village. Di ba pipili siyang mountain? Kakaiba yon. You mean the one at the back of Lou's house? Affirmative. Buy it. Talaga tanda. Payag din agad. Bundok, bibilin. Grabe. I love that mountain. There are mushrooms and herbs. I can hunt and I can log there. Sana bumili na lang siya ng bahay, pinaayos. Sa bagay, kung dito magkakapera siya, pwede niya ipaayos yung bahay anytime. Talino. Mrs. Minded. Anyway, it's a great bargain. Clink, clink, clink. Gold coins agad eh. Hindi talaga silver. It's gold! Ba't siya naglalakad? Real. I didn't realize that the mountain was owned by the temple on it. Ay, naku. Bibili mo kaya kung nasa temple? The community manager said it would be costly. I don't know if I have enough. Nasa temple na siya. Guanyin Hall, Ningan Temple. Oh, she's so pretty. Parang kamukha niya. Parang kamukha ni Zhao. Hope my daughter will have a safe and happy life. She's so beautiful. Di ba kamukha sila? Hey! Who are you? How dare you peek at her ladyship? Yung mga kalbo. Ano ang tawag sa kanila? Monks. Baby monks. Tama yung mga ulo nila. They have lots of dots at the head. Ano ba meaning niyan? Let's go! Run! Ang kukulit! Parang mga itlog na tumatakbo. Ayun, nadapa. Oh, Todd. Are you alright? Oh, ang cute naman ng ulo. Bilog na bilog. May 6 na dots sa ulo. Ang cute naman itong batang to. Oh, di ba nakita nga si Zhao? Oh, he's so cute. Who's there? Ano itong isang to? Tita. Why would the peasant girl come here? That birthmark on her face. Ew. Arte-arte naman ng mga to. Are you also here to pray? Yes, we're here to pray. Char lang. Oh no, I'm here to see the abbot. Her voice and her smile are both gentle. Siya man, feeling ko siya yung mother mo. Kamukha mo siya eh. Oh, the abbot went down the mountain. It's okay, I'll wait here. Sleep. Oh no! Ah! Watch out! Siya nabasa. Mainit kaya yan? Parang, hindi naman siya namumula. Napunta lang lahat talaga sa damit niya. Are you okay? Yeah. It's not steamy hot, just sticky. Buti na lang, hindi siya mainit. It's my fault. Come, I have some clean clothes for you. Diba? These are my daughters. My servant will wash and dry yours. Bakasyong-kasya sa kanya. Thank you, ma'am. Diba? Siguro siya yung anak talaga. Pero bakit may damit siyang ganyan? Ganda niya tingnan, no? Bagay sa kanya. Whoa! It becomes you. May I ask how old are you? 14. 14? Tapos may asawa ka na? You're my daughter's age. My daughter was born in this temple. I was also born here. I made them. Try some. Thanks. O diba, dyan din siya pinanganak. Mama mo talaga yan eh. So many bruises in her hand. Ay, poor girl. Thank goodness my daughter lives in a mansion. She will never have to suffer like this. Ay, nasa mansion yung anak niya. Hindi niya pala anak si Jao. Akala ko anak niya si Jao. My heart would be broken if she were my daughter. Feeling ko anak mo siya eh. Kamukha kayo eh. Ganyan talaga yung mga comics na yan eh. She fell asleep. The abbot's back. I shall go see him. Ten. Anim din yung dot sa ulo niya. Pero may mustache siya. Sir? Oh, ba't parang nagulat siya? Nagulat ka ata. You said you wanna buy this mountain. Yes, sir. Alright, this is the end of chapter 20. We'll go and read chapter 21. See ya, guys. Oh, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next